Samsung's clearance sale is on now. Save big on selected 2022 Samsung TVs and soundbars at Samsung.com and participating retailers. T's and C's apply.
Nova Nation is Australia's home of dance hits and club classics from the world's biggest DJs. Because gym sessions sound better with Nova Nation.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Let's kill the buzz. I'm excited to say that I'll be coming to Karachi on November 16th to play at SHAZZA'S Festival. Hope to see you all there.
What you do then? Hey, go! Don't fall! Please! Don't fall, okay? Quiet. Oh, it's the hot air. Go on, Stu. Okay. Please go home now. Go home! Hey! Watch out, please! Oh God! Come in with me! Oh! Oh God! Wait for me! Wait! No! What? Thank you! Thank you! Oh. One more. I got it. Go home now. I'm sorry. My parents angry at me. Again. Thanks again.
Samsung's clearance sale is on now. Save big on selected 2022 Samsung TVs and soundbars at Samsung.com and participating retailers. T's and C's apply.
Good morning.
An appointment with Samuel Parr?
Mr. Parr does not receive guests before 10 o'clock.
I want to see him, and I want to see him right now.
Wait here. Mr. Parr? Mr. Parr, this man says that he has
Thank you, ULLA. I'll take my tea in the study today. You intruded at the crack of dawn, my friend. I assume it's urgent.
I want the original.
Original of what?
You know what I'm talking about.
Do enlighten me.
The rice bowl. The fucking rice bowl.
If you're referring to the rice bowl that was stolen from Hainsworth's last night, that piece is gone. Lost forever, I fear.
That's not true, though, is it? No. Because what was stolen was a copy. The original is safe and in your possession.
And you are...
Matt. You can call me Matt.
Well, Mr. Matt. How did you come by this extraordinary theory?
I was standing right next to Mei-Ling when she called you. I know the whole story.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And we were both standing next to Sebastian Leclerc when you called him. So stop with the fucking pretending!
Language, dear boy. What do you want?
I want the original.
I thought Mei-Ling had the original.
Yeah, well, apparently not.
Well, as the two of you have so clearly outsmarted me, what can I possibly tell you?
Oh, fuck.
Hey, listen. Hey, So listen, this is one of the worst fish dishes that you can eat in the world, and these guys are gonna try it out right now.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Come on, Dave!
That's it, guys. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please do not unsubscribe. See ya! That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you there.